If you've been dealing with unexplained bloating, constant fatigue, digestive problems that never seem to resolve, and your doctor can't find a clear answer, I need you to watch this entire video. Because the real cause might be something that is massively underdiagnosed. Intestinal parasites are far more common than most people realize, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to identify them, flush them out, and restore your gut to full health using natural, science-backed strategies. Let's get into it. There are two kinds of intestinal parasites that you should know about. Intestinal parasites like protozoa are tiny. They are celled organisms like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and you cannot see them with your eyes, but they can still hurt your gut and immune system. And then there are helminths. These are worm parasites. They include roundworms, tapeworms, pinworms, and hookworms. Some of these intestinal parasites can grow really big inside your intestines. So how do people get parasites? They can get them from water and from eating meat that is not cooked enough, from fruits and vegetables that are not washed, from soil that has intestinal parasites, from traveling to other countries, and even from pets at home. What really surprises my patients is that you do not have to go to another country to get parasites. The CDC says that millions and millions of Americans already have parasites and they do not even know it. These intestinal parasites are living inside people who look healthy and feel healthy, but they are still taking the nutrition from their bodies and hurting their gut. The reason parasitic infections go undetected for so long is because their symptoms mimic other common conditions: IBS, food intolerance, anxiety, chronic fatigue. Here are the 7 warning signs I tell every patient to watch for. Number 1, chronic bloating and gas pits, especially after meals, almost every single day. Number 2, unexplained fatigue. Parasites steal your iron, your B12, your essential nutrients before your body absorbs them. You feel exhausted no matter how much you rest. Number 3, irregular bowel habits, alternating constipation and diarrhea, or loose stools that never fully resolve. Number 4, skin problems like rashes, hives, eczema. Your immune system is in constant overdrive. Number 5, teeth grinding at night. Multiple studies have linked this to active parasitic infections. Number 6, muscle and joint aches, as parasites migrate through body tissue. Number 7, intense sugar cravings. Parasites thrive on sugar and can actually drive your appetite to feed themselves. 3 or more of these together? Talk to your doctor immediately and request a comprehensive stool analysis. Now, here is what you came for. Important note first. If you have a confirmed parasitic infection, prescription antiparasitic medication may be necessary. What I'm sharing are evidence-informed natural strategies that support your body's defenses and help rebuild your gut. Always consult your physician. Step 1, cut off their food supply. Parasites feed on sugar, refined carbohydrates, and processed foods. Remove white sugar, alcohol, and refined grains for at least 2 to 4 weeks. You starve them into weakness before your body clears them. Step 2, raw garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with powerful antiparasitic and antimicrobial properties confirmed in multiple studies. 2 to 3 raw crushed cloves per day. Crush them, wait 10 minutes, then consume. That wait time activates the allicin. Step 3, pumpkin seeds, one of the most underused natural tools available. Pumpkin seeds contain cucurbitacin, shown to paralyze intestinal worms, causing them to release their grip on the gut wall and pass out naturally. 1 to 2 ounces of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds on an empty stomach every morning for 2 to 3 weeks. Step 4, papaya seeds. Peer-reviewed research has confirmed that dried, ground papaya seeds show significant antiparasitic activity and particularly against intestinal worms. Blend them into a smoothie with raw honey and papaya fruit for best results. Step 5, oil of oregano. High-car oregano oil has demonstrated strong antimicrobial and antiparasitic activity in laboratory research. A few drops in water or in capsule form, taken with meals as part of a short-term cleansing protocol. Step 6, load up on fiber. Fiber is your intestinal broom. It physically sweeps parasites, waste, and toxins through and out of your system. Flax seeds, chia seeds, psyllium husk, leafy greens, and carrots. Target 30 grams of fiber daily minimum. Flushing parasites is only half the job. Your gut has been damaged and it needs to be rebuilt. Parasitic infections erode your intestinal lining and devastate your microbiome, the community of beneficial bacteria that regulates your immunity, your mood, and your energy. Here is how to restore it. Probiotics, fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi actively repopulate your gut with protective bacteria. Supplement with a high-quality probiotic hapling, minimum 20 to 50 billion CFUs, containing Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium strains. Bone broth, collagen, glutamine, gelatin work together to physically repair the gut wall. 1 to 2 cups daily accelerates healing significantly. L-glutamine है the primary fuel for intestinal lining cells. 5 grams daily for 4 to 6 weeks has strong clinical support for restoring gut. Integrity after infection. Sleep and hydration. Your gut repairs itself during deep sleep. 8 glasses of water daily. 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. These are non-negotiable for full recovery. To make sure they never come back, to wash your hands before every meal and after handling soil, animals, or raw meat. Rinse all produce thoroughly under running water. Drink filtered water. Giardia can survive standard tap water chlorination. Cook meat to safe internal temperatures. 160 degrees Fahrenheit for beef and pork. 165 degrees Fahrenheit for poultry. And consider a natural gut cleanse protocol once or twice a year as ongoing maintenance, especially if you travel frequently. Your gut is the foundation of everything. Your energy, your immunity, your mental clarity. Don't ignore what your body is telling you. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it and subscribe for a new health education video every week. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of your gut, no but, and it will take care of you.